Oh, this fish trap. Up and under it. Like, look at this flow. It is ripping. Ah! Oh, it swims. I don't know what that is. Searching through pounds and pounds of weeds, guys. Oh, where's that? What's that? Is that crawfish? Oh, I see fish, Tommy. I see fish, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, big. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Hey, little buddy. If you didn't watch the last video, we got some barn cats. This is one of them that I think we're gonna end up naming Hunter because a majority of the comments were all Hunter. It's what I actually have been naming him since he was just a little kitten. So we're gonna stick with Hunter. This right here is Hunter, also known as Ginger Ninja. He's the best hunter out there. Look at that pattern. Ready to hunt down all the rats. Now this one right here, this one, we're gonna have to name it right now. Our Calico. Oh, just kicked me in the chin. Let's see. There was a lot of comments, over 1,500 comments trying to name these cats. I know, bud. The very top comment to name our other cat, who's currently hiding right there, you can see her laying in the mulch, is Honey. So we have Hunter, aka Ginger Ninja, aka Orange Cat, and Honey over there that are living on the farm now. Thank you all so much for commenting. Tangle myself in this branch. Thank you all so much for commenting. There was a lot of comments to go through, but those were the top 2 liked and favorited in the comment section. It's been quite some time since I just came over here and hung out with the animals and filmed them. But these guys are just doing, of course, good as always, relaxing, hanging out this beautiful weather. The enclosure looks great. It's a very big enclosure. If they would get along with more pigs, I could go out and rescue more pigs, but they don't like nobody. They have their own section. Lady May and Mango are face-to-face sleeping right now. That's actually adorable. They usually don't do that. They usually go on their own sides, but they are face-to-face right now, if you could see it. And they don't even come out because they already know they ate. The goats are all up in their house. As you can see, the little baby over here. Boots, Mama Goat. King just comes out to say hello. He's probably gonna jump down. Yep, there he is. Emmy and, of course, Oscar in the corner here, but they have a lot of hay. They've clearly just spread out on their own. Plenty of hay to eat, right guys? King has so much personality, he won't even let me walk by without getting at least a little pet in. And of course, over this way is Rick and Morty, our emus. I really need a haircut. Hello, Rick and Morty. You want to give us some dinosaur noises? Oh, both of you gave us it. Oh yeah, talkative today. Stay back, Ginger Ninja, you're gonna get attacked. He's like, I've been over here already, they're my friends. Let's go inside the turtle house. Got a couple things to show you, which we'll show you more of here in a little bit later down the road. We've got a few turtles up top here, but I cannot wait to get our permits. We're getting our permits to be able to keep aquatic turtles and list them on the website. As you can see, we'll talk more about these soon, later in another video. These are big old UVB lights. I got them installed here, in the middle, and down beneath as well. This side gets a lot more sunlight, so the tortoises won't need it. Hey, you gotta get out of here. You're not allowed in here. But yeah, that is gonna be amazing once we get our class 3. And in my class 3 says it is in review right now, which is major steps ahead. I mean, I think I did it 4 months ago, over 4 months ago, and we're still waiting on that permit. So eventually, once FWC gets their stuff together and they could just approve me, I could finally order some of these baby turtles and get them listed on PC Aquatics. Another thing that's happening in 2024 is this right here. That's a hot tub. You can see it. Those are the ledges and stuff. This is a hot tub. That's all a pool. This is going to be a pool, a massive 36 feet, I think, and then a 6x6 hot tub, hot spa. It's going to be crazy. That'll be another really cool addition to the farm that we're getting done this year. It's going to be a nice year, great year. This is getting started on Tuesday. Tuesday, the frame will be built for the window. The window will come in, then we can officially paint. So this will be done next week. We're going to start getting things done on this big pond. I know we talked a lot about that in the recent videos. Of course, all of our tangs and damsels and crazy fish inside the saltwater pond. This is doing great. It looks so fulfilled now. Just looks amazing. And we're still probably gonna get some more fish for this eventually. I could sit here, I could literally leave a camera. What if we did like a live cam where this thing just went on, you guys could pop in whenever you want to see everything? That would be kind of cool. I actually was gonna do an automatic feeder a while ago. That just never worked out. We actually finished it, got the prototype and everything, but it was just not reliable enough to literally put it on a live stream and have you guys where you could just feed the animals automatically. It was gonna be so cool. I worked on it for over a year and a half. I actually still have the prototype right here. This is the prototype made out of buckets and stuff. All the mechanicals behind it. I mean, this cost so much money, you'd be surprised. A year and a half of work, and I just never ended up doing it, unfortunately. Would have been cool if you guys think I should still do something like that. I'll put some more effort into it and do it this year, but it is a lot of work. It would have literally allowed you guys to go on my live stream and just feed the animals whenever you wanted to. Another comment I saw last video was, let's see where the heck he is. There he is, up in the back over there. Leo or Chameleon, you guys were like, get him a friend, get him a friend. By friend, I mean girlfriend. Well, Gio told me that I cannot get this lizard a girlfriend. I can, but only for X amount of time, couple minutes. They'll do their thing, and then she's got to go or else he'll kill her. So that's why I have not gotten Leo a friend. He chooses to be alone. That is his man cave. He doesn't want to be bothered. So for the 800 people that like that comment, that's why I haven't got Leo a girlfriend yet. We just fed this pond over here. As you can see, the big old catfish sitting right here. As you can see, Beast. Cornelius, where are you? There you are. Hi, bud. I love doing my routes. Like, I literally do this every single day, and sometimes I bring the camera along with me, sometimes I don't. In this case today, I did. But today's main objective, as you read by the title and thumbnail of this video, we're gonna be setting out one of the fish traps in a really clear creek. This creek is unbelievably clear, and I've caught some really cool stuff there in the past. So the goal is to try to catch some exotic creatures inside our fish traps that are available on the website, and I want to make this video to show that they do work. If you remember last video, we got some hay for the pigs, and as you can see, Babe is in heaven right now. She's like, thank you. She's such a mess. Look at her. You put a pool in here, she's gonna have fun with it. She's making like meteor holes right there. We're gonna set a trap out and search through a bunch of weeds to see what we could find. It should be a really, really good time. What am I talking about it for? Let's go do it. We're here at the canal that I was at months ago with my boys, and we were looking through these weeds and we found all sorts of fish, crayfish, everything. But what I did this time is I brought out one of our fish traps that is actually available on pcaquatics.shop. I wanted to put this thing to the test without even putting bait inside of it. It's really cool that this spot in particular, they look for just structure to go into. So I'm gonna literally bury this up in the weeds, and hopefully by the time we're done with this video, searching through the weeds on our own, someone will find their way into these little holes and get stuck, or just even looking for shelter, and we'll get stuck in our fish trap. So first things first, it comes with a little bit of rope. So if I were to take you real quick, come here, let me see the camera, Tommy. You'll see just how clear this water is. It is so clear. It's all rainwater just being rushed through these 3 tunnels here. And if you look, there's a ledge. That ledge is exactly where I'm gonna go and then bury this fish trap. Up and under that ledge, just like that, right there. So all these weeds come back over the trap, and now my trap is completely invisible. It is down inside there. The water's rushing down, all the fish that are coming through here, all the crabs, whatever it may be, the crayfish, they're going straight into that trap. Now, while that trap sits, we have this bucket. Oh, it got a little bit of water in it, which is fine. I'm gonna throw that bucket up there. And just like last time, which I didn't even upload the video, we just did this for fun. I did film it, I just never edited it. You can literally just grab weeds like this, pull them out, and throw them in the current, and you'll see like crayfish come out of it. Like, look at this flow, it is ripping. Grab this, just toss it up here. Oh, got one. Oh, it's a fish. A little minnow. See you, bud. I know there's crayfish in here though. Last time we were here, we caught so many. And just in case I miss anything, after I'm done with these weeds, I'll just toss them right back in the water. I just had a fish between my toes. Grab another handful, straight up onto the bank. You'll see the crays kicking. You see anything kicking, Tommy? Different type of fish. That is a baby largemouth bass, I believe. Nope, it's not. It's a different type of minnow. You get a good focus on it. I'm not sure what kind of minnow that is, but it's got a black stripe with a dot. It almost looks like one of those bowfish. My goal is to find a crawfish. That's my goal. Crawdaddy. Crawdada. Gotta be something in here. Even if it's a water moccasin, it's gotta be something in here. Oh yeah, I got one. Nice fish. Ew! That is a baby canal trout. They're so tiny, I don't even know what they're called. But that is a really cool fish. And this is how easy it is just to go and find some fish in Florida. Just go to a random canal and start picking up weeds. There's gotta be crawdads in here. Look at how clear this water is. I mean, that's crazy clear. Let me just go like this. This is almost likely invasive vegetation anyway, so it's not like I'm harming anything by grabbing a handful out of the thousands of miles of this. I don't know where the heck all the... What is that bug? What in the heck is that? What kind of bug is that? Ah! Oh, it swims. I don't know what that is. A dragonfly larvae or something? That's nuts. So I'll put my hand in here, but I'm thinking it's probably anaconda. So let's do it. Why is there bubbles coming from the floor? I don't like that. I'm gonna do a nice handful right here, Tommy. Ready? Big ol' handful. Our crawfish non-existent this time of year. Searching through pounds and pounds of weeds, guys. Nasty weeds. This is a good one right here. Gotta be fish in there. Gotta be. The first molly. Oh! First molly of the trip. We like to breed these guys back at home. These are the normal mollies you'll find out in the canals and stuff around here. But that is our first molly. Nice one. See ya, bud. Find all sorts of stuff. It really is fun to do. I was hoping for a crawdaddy, but I think the temperatures out here right now are a little too cold for crawdads. Because last time we were here, we couldn't escape how many crawfish there were. That one's got like a bright blue tail. Whoa. He's got like a fan tail. That one's pretty. Oh, what's that? Is that crawfish? Yes! Crawfish! We got one! We got one. It's not the biggest, but it is a crawfish. I told you guys I wasn't lying when the crawfish were in here thick last time. Look at him.
He's holding the sword.
Yeah, there he is. We got a crawdaddy. All right, you're going home to eat dinner, man. No, I'm just kidding. We did it. We caught a crawfish. It's not the biggest, but we did it. See you, bud. So after about another 30 to 45 minutes of just searching through weeds, we decided it was about time to check on the fish trap. It's officially time to check our fish trap. It's been like 45 minutes, if not maybe a little bit longer than that. I walked all the way down and all the way back down here. Managed to get one crawfish, a couple fish, nothing crazy though. Hopefully our fish trap has something we hadn't seen yet. It's literally sitting right here. Let's take a look. Oh, there's a minnow with his head stuck. Go back in there, buddy. All right, he's good. Oh, I see fish, Tommy. I see fish, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, big molly. Oh, pleco, pleco, oh, pleco. All right, I got a good amount of fish. I literally got 2 plecos and a bunch of minnows. Look at the plecos in there. You see them? Can you get a video of them?
Yeah.
Little baby black plecos. If I open this, it has this cool zipper, which is very, very handy when it comes to getting your fish out. We'll start off with the minnows. We got 1 minnow, 1 bigger molly, the biggest molly we got of the day. And these are all without bait inside. They just find this because of the structure and the flow. Another one. Of course, another minnow, which had his head stuck in it. Oh, another minnow. These are all chubby minnows too. And of course, the holy grail. Look at how tiny. We should take them home. We should literally take them home.
Those things are...
A little tiny pleco. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Yo.
That is so cool. Do you see him? See him swimming? And last but not least, an even larger pleco. And look at him stick his fins out. He's like, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get releasing him on video. These little guys are so prehistoric looking. Look at that little prehistoric beast. He's gonna get so big one day out here. There's a lot of these here in Florida. They lock their fins in, so I'm trying to push right now and I can't even push that down. It's one of their defense mechanisms, as well as their top dorsal fin. They don't let you push it back. Just trying not to get swallowed. He doesn't know what's going on. But this little guy is a really, really cool fish, and we're gonna put him back into his pond, lake, stream, creek, whatever the heck. There he goes, and he's gone. That fish trap done did it. The BC Aquatics fish trap with the zipper is so clutch, and guess what? When you're done with it, wrap it up and put it back in your bag or wherever you came with it. I actually was wanting to try this spot for a really, really long time. Last thing I expected to catch was a prehistoric fish. And I say prehistoric because those things were definitely around in the dinosaur ages. With that armor plate like that, maybe they've evolved a little bit since, but that is one heck of a fish. 2 plecos, a bunch of mollies, bunch of platies. I'd say that's a good, successful afternoon trip to the creek. And if you guys want to see me come back here and do an even bigger trap or leave it for even longer, that was literally an hour. My phone's ringing. Let me know, I'll come back. Oh, it's Top Shelf. Hello, Top Shelf Aquatics.
Yes, this is Mr. Cuffaro. How are you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Doing good, doing good.
If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do leave it a like down below. Subscribe for more videos. This year is going to be absolutely crazy. I can't wait for the pond and everything to get done in there, and so much more. Even in just a week from now, how so much is going to change. I love you. I appreciate you for watching. Again, if you guys want to check out the traps, they're all available at pcaquatics.shop, and a couple shirts are available too. New batch of I'm Addicted to Buying Fish t-shirts that had sold out prior are coming soon. That should be in the next next week or two as well. They're being made right now. This is the last batch of them. They will not be available again. So once I do announce it, you'll see it in a video. Make sure to scoop a shirt while you can. Those sold out so fast last time. Again, a really fun day. Fish trapping, searching through weeds. Definitely a different video than we made recently. Lots of stuff been going on at the house, and it was nice to get out and do a little bit of that. But I love you, and we'll see you in the next one. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, dude? You're scaring me. Peace out.